Is it the right time to buy or sell Exxon stock? Let's dive deep into Exxon and provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, November 20, 2023. Now, we're here to give you all the information you need. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On November 20, 2023, our system ranked Exxon as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.21. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We have been closely monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently in a downward trend, which could present a great buying opportunity for investors. If the stock price falls below its support level of $102.15, it may indicate a stronger decline. Based on the recent 3-month trend, there is a potential decrease of -7.76% over the next 3 months. The estimated return during this period ranges between -9.83% and 0.97%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected change of -1.51% over the next year. The potential return in this timeframe varies between -7.09% and 13.02%. This means that the stock price could range from $97.09 to $118.11 after 12 months. In our latest update on Exxon, we have some important news to share. The headline reads, Exxon stock downgraded from hold/accumulate to sell candidate after Monday's trading session. On the last day, which was Monday, November 20, 2023, the Exxon stock price experienced a decrease of 0.438%, dropping from $104.96 to $104.50. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.39% between a low of $104.43 and a high of $105.88. Over the past 10 days, the stock has fallen in 6 instances, resulting in a decline of 1.29% overall. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased alongside the stock, which can be seen as a positive indication since volume tends to follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 6 million shares on the last day, with a total of 14 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.50 billion. Looking at the stock's performance in the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price reached was $126.54, while the lowest price recorded was $98.02. Currently, the stock is trading at a price 17.42%, equivalent to $22.04, below its 52-week high of $126.54, which also happens to be the all-time high for this stock. Analyst ratings. On Friday, November 10, 2023, Piper Sandler gave Exxon Mobil Corporation, XOM, an overweight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Bernstein gave Exxon Mobil Corporation, XOM, an outperform grade with a hold action. On Friday, October 27, 2023, CFRA gave Exxon Mobil Corporation, XOM, buy grade with an upgrade action. On Friday, October 27, 2023, Bernstein gave Exxon Mobil Corporation, XOM, an outperform grade with an initialize action. On Friday, October 27, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Exxon Mobil Corporation, XOM, an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Exxon stock a general rating of strong buy. They have also rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. As for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we will discuss the signals identified for Exxon. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 1.99%. This suggests a potential for further rise until a new top pivot is found. However, there are also some negative signals that may impact the near short-term development. Let's take a closer look at the technical indicators. The Exxon stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average gives a general sell signal. The fact that the long-term average is above the short-term average indicates a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $107.55. On the other hand, if it falls, there is some support from the short-term average at $104.07. A break above the long-term average will provide another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will strengthen the general sell signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. This indicates a potential downturn in the stock. However, it's worth noting that the volume fell along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence signal indicates a sell. The pivot signal indicates a buy 3 days ago. The Bollinger signal indicates a buy 9 days ago. The short-term moving average signal indicates a buy 3 days ago. The long-term moving average signal indicates a sell 35 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 32 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average signal indicates a buy 14 days ago. The long-term moving average signal indicates a buy 14 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 14 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Exxon. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss levels for Exxon. Let's dive in. Exxon currently finds support from accumulated volume at $104.21. This creates a buying opportunity as typically, we see an upwards reaction when this support level is tested. So, keep an eye on $104.21 as it could be a good entry point. When it comes to trading this stock, the risk is considered to be low. Exxon is usually traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the overall risk is relatively low. Taking a look at recent price action, we see that in the last day, the stock moved $1.45, 1.39%, between its high and low points. This shows that the stock has had relatively small fluctuations recently. Looking at the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.72%. This means that the price has been relatively stable on a day-to-day basis. Let's start by exploring some important fundamental data before we discuss the potential trading levels for Exxon. The price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio, is a key metric to consider. It measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A low PE ratio could indicate a pessimistic outlook for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential opportunity for buyers. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings stand at $2.21. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for Exxon. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Exxon stands at $106.47. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering entering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if we experience a downward movement, Exxon encounters its first support level at $104.21. If this support level remains intact, it could potentially serve as a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Exxon from multiple analyst sources is a strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 6, 2023, UBN Jeffrey W. conducted an insider buy of 50,000 shares of common stock. On November 6, 2023, UBN Jeffrey W. conducted another insider buy of 50,000 shares of common stock. On November 6, 2023, UBN Jeffrey W. conducted a significant insider buy of 150,000 shares of common stock, without par value. On September 5, 2023, Tally Darren L. conducted an insider sell of 1,500 shares of common stock. And on August 1, 2023, UBN Jeffrey W. made another insider buy, this time acquiring 70,962 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 87.147. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 22,068,772 shares and sold 1,651,521 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it's important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Exxon stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, Exxon currently shows several negative signals, indicating a potential weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a sell candidate, considering some minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Upon examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have identified that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Tuesday, November 21st, we anticipate that Exxon will open up at $0.437 and begin trading at $104.94. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, we strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. Also, let us know your target for the stock. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We want you to have a successful trading experience. Wishing you a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.